Hello boys and girls, today we're going to be making the little red hen and I have Leon and Canderlyn with me to help us use our imaginations to create the little red hen from our story. So what you're going to need is you're going to need your pencil box. You're also going to need your papers that look like this. There is two little papers, one is yellow and one is orange. You have a red circle, a big red paper, and an even bigger green paper. So make sure you have all of those pieces of paper and bring them back to the table. And then we're gonna get started making our little red hen. The first thing you're gonna need is your pencil. So if you have your pencil, grab out your pencil. I'm gonna use a marker so that you can see my lines. Canderlyn has her pencil. Leon, where's your pencil? Okay, now that we have our pencil, what I want you to do is we're gonna draw the body for our little red hen on our paper. So I want you guys to make a nice big circle on your paper. Make it nice and big, Leon. Canderlyn, a nice big circle.
Mom, I made a big circle.
Or oval on your paper.
Look.
However you want it to look. And now I want you to cut it out.
Look.
So grab some scissors and now we're going to cut out those lines that you just drew.
Oh, look how big this is.
Now we need to make sure we collect our Scrippy scraps and put them in the trash. So make sure you collect all your red scraps.
Mom, look what I made.
There it is. Okay, let's get all of our red scraps to the trash. Okay, the next thing that you're going to cut out is your little red hen's head, which is this red circle that you have right here. Leon used his imagination and he decided to draw his own head. And you can do that too. If you want to use your imagination, you can draw your own head for your little red hen. I'm going to cut out the circle, and so is Canderlyn. Okay, now we have our body and we have our head. We're going to connect these together on our green piece of paper. So get your glue stick, and we're going to glue it onto our green piece of paper.
So how is supposed to do it?
Good question. Canderlyn asked how. You can do it however you want. Remember, you're using your own imagination. So I have my little red hen's body and the head. So we're gonna give our little red hen some feet now. We're gonna use our yellow piece of paper and we're gonna cut it up. You can do triangles or any shaped feet that you want. The yellow is also gonna be used for the beak of your little red hen. So if you wanna cut that out right now, you can do that as well. And once you have those pieces cut out, go ahead and glue them on. What? Hey, which one? Hey, look at me. Look at me. Did you see Canderlyn made long legs for hers? What kind of legs did you make for yours?
My legs are too long, so I'm cutting them off.
What do you want to use for your legs? Did you want to cut some more? I want you to work on it and we use your imagination. Here, let's snip this in half and we can use this for the 2 feet. There we go. Now we just need to glue them on.
I remember they have little feet, so I cut out little, and they have only 3 fingers, so I cut out 3 fingers.
I think we're all done with our hen feet and the beak. The next thing we're going to do is sometimes hens have some things that stick off the top of their head and also under their chin. So we're going to give them their little hair and their gobble. Now you're going to use your orange rectangle to cut up those pieces. Again, you can make any shapes you want, and if you don't want to cut it, you can draw it on there too. Remember, you're using your imagination. So Leon is finishing up his, Canderlyn is finishing up her orange pieces, and I have a couple more pieces to put on mine. And when you're done cutting them out, just go ahead and glue them on wherever you think is best on your little red hen. Inside of your craft bag, you have an envelope that Mom and Dad can grab that says our hen activity. Inside of your envelope, you have some feathers and some eyeballs. Leon already drew his eyeballs on, but if you don't want to draw them on, you do have some eyeball stickers that you can use. So I'm gonna pick one out for my little red hen.
Mama, can I have a sticker?
And I'm gonna stick it on. Canderlyn, would you like to pick out an eyeball for yours?
I like the same one.
Okay. And then you also have some feathers that you can add on to the back of your little red hen. And to glue on your feathers, you're probably gonna need to use your glue bottle. You can try and use your glue stick and see if it works, but you might need to use your glue bottle to glue these onto your little red hen because she's gonna need some feathers sticking off the back of her tail. All right, we finished our little red hens. I have mine. There's Leon's and Kendra Lynn's. And remember, you're using your imagination so your little red hen can look however you want it to be. Have a great day, everybody, and thanks for doing art with us today. Bye.
Mine's wrong.
Yours is perfect. I love it.
Mine is a little different.
That's amazing. I love that it's different. It's so creative because you know what you did? You used your imagination. And you didn't do what I was asking. You said, I'm gonna do it all by myself. And guess what? That's exactly what the little red hen said in our story. She said, I'm gonna do it all by myself. Just like Leon. High five. What's your favorite part of your hen?
The feathers.
The feather part?
Mine too.
I think my favorite part.
Even drawing the mouth.
That's what I was gonna say.
Even the eyeballs.
Yeah.
Even the
Ears, yeah.